Once upon a time, in a land where the sun blazed hot and water was scarce, there lived a clever crow. One particularly sweltering day, he was extremely thirsty. The streams and rivers had dried up, and finding water was becoming a real challenge. The crow flew over fields and forests, searching desperately for a drink. His throat felt dry, and he was feeling weaker with every flap of his wings. Just when he thought he might not find any water, he spotted something in a small garden below. It was a jug, and there was some water inside it. The crow swooped down to get a closer look. When he peered inside, he saw a little water at the bottom of the jug. He tried to reach the water with his beak, but it was too low. Feeling a bit hopeless, the crow looked around for another solution. That's when he noticed a pile of small pebbles nearby. An idea popped into his head. He picked up one pebble with his beak and dropped it into the jug. One by one, the pebbles made the water rise higher and higher. It took a lot of pebbles and a lot of patience, but the crow kept working hard. Finally, after a long time and many pebbles, the water in the jug was high enough for the crow to reach. He was thrilled. He dipped his beak into the water and took a long, satisfying drink. The cool water quenched his thirst, and he felt much better. The crow was not only relieved, but also proud of his clever idea. He had used his intelligence and persistence to solve a problem that seemed impossible at first. He flew away from the garden, feeling refreshed and happy. The story of the thirsty crow soon became famous. It was told and retold as a lesson for everyone. It showed that with a little creativity and a lot of patience, even the toughest problems can be solved. The crow's clever thinking and hard work saved him, and his story inspired many others to use their brains and never give up, no matter how difficult things might seem. Moral of the story: where there is a will, there is a way. Necessity is the mother of invention.
Please like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icons for more videos.